Today I would like to show you how to make bakpao. Keep on watching! This is the ingredient of bakpao. First, powdered white milk. Second, melted butter. Third, flour. Fourth, sugar. 5, cornstarch. 6, egg. 7, yeast. 8, warm water. And the last, chocolate. First, mix yeast and sugar into the glass. Then add warm water. Stir until dissolved and let stand for about 15 minutes. Second, mix 10 tablespoons wheat flour. Two tablespoons cornstarch. 2 tablespoons powdered white milk. Third, after 50 minutes, pour the mixture of yeast and sugar into the bowl. And stir until every distributes. Then add egg and stir again. Four, add melted butter to the mixture until the mixture is not sticky. Cover using a cloth and leave for 1 hour until the mixture expands. After that, mixture is left on. Give one push to center the mixture so it is deflated. Knead briefly, then divide it into some parts. Six, take one part of the mixture, round it. Then flat the center and fill it with chocolate chunk. Then round it again. Place the mixture on baking paper. Wait until the mixture runs out. After that, steam the mixture for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove bakpao from steam. Bakpao is ready to be eaten.